Hello guys, welcome to our Rising RE channel. In this video I will show you how to quickly prepare quality shorts in the CapCut program with you. Before you start the video, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, don't forget to, and if you like the video, now let's go to the video. First of all, we send our video to the CapCut program. We make our video between 15 to 20 seconds by finding the speech we will get from the clip we downloaded and cutting it. Now we choose the ratio of 9:16 as we will prepare a shorts video from here. Now we enlarge our video to fit the screen. I enlarge the current time scale and cut some parts between seconds and bring the people in those cuts right into the middle of the video.
Literally.
Then I hold the custom adjustment button from the adjustment section and bring it to the timeline. And I play with the color settings of the video. I add saturation and sharpness.
Started in your bedroom.
Yep.
At what point did you start invest?
Now it's time to add subtitles to the video. Now we click on the text part, then we click on the auto captions part and we automatically add subtitles to our video.
Started in your.
Now we find a suitable font for our video and make the color adjustments.
Question. Literally put on me the entire time. When I used to make like $1 a day, I saved up for months and I bought a microphone, way worse than this microphone. And then I saved up for like half a year and I bought a computer.
Now I drag the vibration flash effect on the video and make the adjustments.
Bought a computer.
If you want to sync subtitles better, you can tweak the timeline and get better quality synchronization.
At what point did you start investing into the videos at a different scale?
Great question. Literally put on me the entire time. When I used to make like $1 a day, I saved up for months and I bought a microphone, way worse than this microphone. And then I saved up for like half a year and I bought a computer.
And you can save our video by adjusting the quality from the export section on the top right and upload it to YouTube. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.